Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Cash App is not available in your region. If you're encountering the Cash App is not available in your region message while you're in Nigeria or any other countries, because Cash App officially supports users only in the United States and United Kingdom as of 2025, Cash App has not expanded its services to Nigeria or other countries outside these regions. However, some users have explored alternative methods to access Cash App from unsupported regions. Here's an overview. Here's important considerations. First, using workarounds to access Cash App from unsupported regions may violate their terms of service. This can lead to account suspension and loss of funds. Cash App requires users to verify their identity, alternating a US Social Security number and US-based debit card. Within this, account functionality is limited, and some users opt to use Cash App solely for Bitcoin transactions as it allows for Bitcoin withdrawals. However, this still requires identity verification and comes with its own set of limitations. Yeah, here are some recommended alternatives for Nigeria or other countries. Given the limitation and potential risks, consider using financial platforms that officially support your country. For PayPal, widely used for integration of transaction when sending funds is possible, receiving funds may require a business account. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, offer international money transfers with transparent fees and real exchange rates. And Square supports international payments and is available in Nigeria. Cheaper Cash, a mobile app that allows for cross-border payments within Africa and to the US. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, if you could like, subscribe, and